Today I will tell about the lifestyle of Mark Zuckerberg. Request to you before starting the video. Watch the full video, so let's get started. Biography. Mark full name. Mark Elliott Zuckerberg. His nickname Jack Slayer and Princely. Date of birth 14th May 1984, Newark, United States. His age 40 years old. Was addicted to computers since childhood. For this he started writing computer programs from a young age. His father also helped him a lot in programming. Sometimes he would ask questions that even his father could not answer. Mark completed his schooling in Hampshire, England, but he dropped out Harvard University, England. Mark profession: entrepreneur, software developer, computer scientist, philanthropist, business person, and investor. Career. Mark was into computer from an early age. Mark created a messenger called Jagnet Messenger when he was 12 years old. When Mark was reading, there was a book called Facebook. The book had pictures and details of all the students. Following from this book is a website called Phil FaceMash. 2004, Mark created a website, The Facebook. 2005, the Facebook changed its name to just Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg family. Father Edward Zuckerberg and mother Karen Kempener. Mark's three sisters are named Randy Zuckerberg, Ariel Zuckerberg, and Donna Zuckerberg. His wife named Priscilla Chan and has two sons named Maxima Chan Zuckerberg and August Chan Zuckerberg. Let's show Mark house. Mark has many properties at this time. At this time, Mark lives in Palo Alto, California with this family. He bought this house for $7 million. Let's now talk about Mark Zuckerberg jet and car. Gulfstream G35 jet, $65 million. Car collection: Mercedes-Benz Sprinter car, $75,000. So this was Mark Zuckerberg lifestyle. If you like the video, then please subscribe.